Guys, I'm so bearish on Bitcoin and crypto in the markets, but I'm expecting one more hit to these highs here, and I'm going to show you how it's going to happen in this video and what I'm seeing in the charts from an Elliott Wave perspective. We're going to take a couple of deep breaths in and out because these wicks have been nasty. Today's action has been nasty. We're going to go over it super quick. Stick around. You're going to want to watch this whole video all the way through. Please watch it all the way through. Guys, join the Discord. It's free in the description below. I posted this earlier today on a flat that I saw in the charts. This was before we broke the high, way before. Fake news, I guess, came out that ETF was approved, spiked to the highs here, and then we came and took the lows. So this flat is playing out to the T as predicted, and of course we ended up getting in on the short from the top, 47,877, and we took it down to 46,123, cashed out. I am sitting long, trading cautiously because this is not anything to mess around with. These wicks are no joke. Lower the leverage, guys. Trade safe. So this wick right here that we experienced occurred, I guess, on fake ETF news. Someone hacked into Twitter account for SEC and said the ETF was approved. Now, Ash in the premium Discord posted this Twitter post. I guess this is a possible scenario where they accidentally hit publish instead of schedule, and tomorrow morning we will get the actual announcement. Could further reinforce my point that we're coming in to hit the high. That's all speculation. I'm just trading off of Elliott Wave. I'm just trading off the charts. Before Twitter even happened, this was the move that was predicted. So, is it by accident? I don't know. But the Elliott Wave charts told us that this was going to happen. So, let's dive in here. Guys, if you leverage trade, check out MEXC. They got the lowest rates, lowest fees. It's what I use to trade. I got a link in the description for you. It's 10% off those fees and a $1,000 deposit bonus if you use that link down below. So check it out, guys, if you're interested. MEXC is what I use to trade. US, Canada, no KYC, no VPN. Use a VPN to register, and then you don't need it after that. All right, diving into the charts, guys. Before we go over the immediate structure here, I need to tell you why I'm so extremely bearish on Bitcoin and crypto markets and regular markets. Guys, on all the indicators, let's just look at this indicator here. I got a lower low on VWAP. I have a lower low on money flow. I have a lower low with momentum. All the while we're making higher highs. How long can we keep this up? Because this is extremely bearish divergence. Same thing on the RSI, extremely bearish divergence, and this is on the daily time frame. This is powerful, guys. This is powerful stuff. So if what I'm saying plays out, it would have been probably smart to just stay in a short from right here. I got a plan and I'm seeing it through. And so far it's working out. It might not work out. Might have been smart to stay in a short right there from the top. Because this has potential. If this does not leak up, take the top one more time and then dump. I mean, you're looking at something along the lines of this. Taking out this liquidity. Maybe a small retrace for a while like this. And then something like this. That's what's in store for you. I'm looking at a 33% dump, 30% dump. I'm going to actually throw that in the thumbnail. 30% dump on Bitcoin. And yeah, guys, really, if you've watched my videos, if you're in the Discord, if you follow my work, you know where I stand. I've been saying we're going to correct this move down to the breakout. And we're going to finish out in ABC. And this is going to be my ultimate top for Bitcoin. for a while. So this is what I'm seeing in the charts, guys. This divergence on the daily is nasty. Do we have some more room to the upside? I hope we do. I want to see this long play out, and I will close this if we get up towards the highs of that wick. I'll just be out. It's not worth the risk. Let's zoom in here and see what we have. So I was counting this just from the shape. Here, let me zoom in. Sorry. Way total wrong time frame. Okay. Just from the shape, I was counting as an A, B, C. An A, where we have a triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B, C. And then we have our impulse from the top. Now this is a flat, guys. You know, if you follow my work, I love flats, especially on Bitcoin. They happen all the time, way too often. Very, very easy to see. And it's just a liquidity grab. You grab the highs, you grab the lows, and then you go. So, all in all, it's just a corrective pattern, like so. I'm going to remove these for us. And you would expect it to hit your fib targets, which it did. We extended a little bit too far, but on a nasty wick like that, it's not out of the realm of possibilities. It's probably likely that it does that. Now, again, I'm hoping for this to leak up to the upside. I got a sneeze, hang on. Sorry about that. Linking up to the upside like so. Taking out the highs barely, maybe 48K. Maybe when the ETF is actually approved tomorrow. You know, through the night we'll leak up like this, kind of stall out, ETF approval, and then we can start our descent. Now, this, if it is finished to the upside, if this is our top, then I would be looking as a trader at this being a finished, you can call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have your initial hit to there. Coming down, I would expect this to come and take this into this area, and then we can start continuing lower. So if you're just ready to hop into a short, you don't think it's going to break the highs, you know, 46.8 is probably your level. Now, one thing I want to look at as well is the ETH BTC chart. This thing is hitting right now. Alts are probably going to be hitting if Bitcoin kind of pushes up to the upside some more. Maybe you would say this looks very much like a flat. Maybe come, take these out, and then we go. That would put us at 0.058. And if Bitcoin was to break the high, and let's just say it makes it up to 48K, Ethereum, let's say it gets up here to 0.0576. It would give us an Ethereum price of 2,760. Which is crazy. So with that background, let's take a look at Ethereum. Is it possible? I believe it is. In which you have a 1, 2, oh, this is 3, 4 coming up for 5. When we pull our fibs, would give us 27.80, right on the 1272. extension of our wave here. It's Elliott Wave, guys. Let's see if it plays. Let's see if it plays. If Ethereum hits this hard, that will be crazy. Where's my Bitcoin chart? So yeah, overall, I am extremely bearish. Extremely bearish. And with that being said, I am bearish after one more tap of these highs. And the high gets taken out one more time. I will be loading up my shorts. And I'll be hoping to get a nice hit down to take out these levels. Let's see if it plays, guys. I'll see you in the Discord. Join it. Linked in the description below. MEXC, 10% off the lowest fees. $1,000 deposit bonus linked in the description below. Thank you for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Bye.